Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is a guide on how to fix your professional mode on Facebook which is not showing. So open up Facebook and then go to your profile settings at the profile menu by clicking on the three dots next to your profile. In there, you'll not see the professional mode. So what we're going to do is go to profile menu and then just head on below to help and support, then report the problem. So go back again to the profile settings, then screenshot this specific frame, which the professional mode is not showing up. So after that, go back, then go to help and support again, and then report the problem there. Just tap on it, and in here, just submit a request, then select the profile one. After tapping on the profile, send the screenshot that you had, then be more detailed about the report that you're going to do. So just say that you don't have the professional mode turning up on your profile. Then make sure that your personal information in there is correct and legitimate. That's about it.